Good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can play a video from your iPhone to your Sony TV. You can click on settings gear icon on the Sony remote itself, or just reach to the search on the home screen of UI. Here click on the inputs. When you click on inputs, at the bottom you will see Airplay. See here, this is Airplay. You need to click on Airplay on your TV. So select Airplay. And how to use Airplay, and the second option you need to select Airplay and HomeKit settings. See here, under this one click on home here, the last option. Now open your phone, iPhone, Apple phone, and use the scanner and scan the code on your TV so that you will see this setup. So add to home, click on add to home option here on your phone and choose create new home. Means you can give a new name for your device, means this TV device. So you're adding a new device to your TV so that you can control this TV through this phone. So you can give any name. I just gave as my home, and it is just setting up, adding to home, and it is asking the TV location, where exactly does this TV is located, whether in the kitchen, sorry not kitchen, whether in the bedroom or hall or whatever it may be. So just click on hall. I just selected as the living room. So click on continue, click on done. Yeah, so now you need to click on allow on the TV. So I clicked on allow, so I grant the permission. Click on this device is set up. Okay, what you need to do is open any video on your phone. So what I'll do is I'll just play a video which I recorded with my camera only, and at the bottom you will see the share symbol. Click on the share at the bottom here, bottom left, click on share, and you will find Airplay here. Yeah, choose Airplay. That's it. Now automatically this video on your mobile phone will get played on the TV. That is for sure. See, now this is on my TV. This is on my TV. The video which is on my phone, iPhone, is now getting played through Airplay on my TV. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comments.